Lightning Sales Path is a great way to provide a visual path to help your sales reps adhere to your sales processes. A sales path is particularly useful when working with leads and opportunities, as the sales path appears as a visual timeline of the lead or opportunity lifecycle. Optionally, you can also include guidance text and key fields relevant for each stage. Reps can move through the stages of your sales process right in Sales Path, which makes them qualify leads and close opportunities faster. To set up a sales path, click on the Setup cog and choose Setup. In the Quick Find search box, start typing Path Settings and click to select. Click Enable, click New Path. We'll call our sales path Lead Sales Path. Choose the lead object, and we're using the lead status field as our sales path pick list. Select Next. The field values of the lead status field are automatically displayed for you. Against each field value, we can add some guidance text and optionally some key fields that are relevant for that stage of the lead lifecycle. For example, in Contacted, let's add the email field and the mobile field so that at the contacted stage, the sales rep can check to see that these values are populated and are correct. For guidance, let's add some text. And click Next. Finally, let's make it active. Let's go and view a lead record. And here's our new sales path. We can expand it and view our key fields and guidance text that are relevant for the contacted stage.